Hello, my name is Emma. Welcome to Mr. Perfect English podcasts.
Hello, my name is David. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Perfect English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. So, have you ever noticed how we talk about things we've done today, but also things that connect back to our lives in general? That's where the present perfect tense sneaks in, tying the past right into the present moment.
It's true. Whenever I say something like, I've had breakfast, or I've seen that movie, I'm using the present perfect without even thinking about it. It's like a bridge between what's happened and how it affects me now. It's great to be here with you all. How are you today? I'm doing great, and I'm very happy to be here. How about you all? That's wonderful to hear.
Exactly, and I think a lot of learners find it mysterious at first. But once you catch on, it's actually super useful. Speaking of breakfast, what's something you've done so far today? Your support is truly amazing. So, what is our topic for today? Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about our day, but we will use a special grammar tense, the present perfect tense.
Well, I've already checked my emails and had 2 cups of coffee. That coffee is definitely kicking in now, so I feel wide awake and ready for action.
Nice. That's the present perfect in action. Let's dig into how it actually works, because the structure is surprisingly simple. Here's the secret formula. Subject plus have or has, and then the past participle of the verb. It sounds technical, but it's just like saying, I have eaten, or she has finished her work.
What helped me was remembering that have goes with I, you, we, and they, while has pairs up with he, she, and it. Once you get that, half the battle is won.
And regular verbs make life easier. They just need ed, like worked or cleaned. So if you say, I have cleaned my apartment, you're showing the past action and its fresh result.
Exactly. The best part is seeing the connection. My place is tidy now because I've cleaned it. But irregular verbs add a bit of spice, don't they?
Absolutely. Let's jump into those, because they trip up a lot of people at first. Irregular verbs don't play by the rules, no simple Burton endings here. Take have, becoming had, or drink, turning into drunk. So instead of, I have drinked coffee, it's, I have drunk coffee.
That one always made me laugh when I was learning drinked. Just sounds so wrong. But practice really does help. I've memorized a bunch just from using them in daily conversations.
Totally. And negatives are handy too. If you haven't eaten lunch yet, you simply say, I haven't eaten lunch yet. It's a quick way to show what you still need to do.
Plus, asking questions is smooth like, have you called your sister yet? If not, no, I haven't called her yet. That word yet pops up a lot in English.
Funny you mention yet. It's one of those small words that makes a big difference in the present perfect. We use yet for questions and negatives, like, have you finished your homework yet? Or, I haven't seen that movie yet.
And then there's already, which is perfect for something you did sooner than expected. Like, I've already checked my email. Or just, which means it happened moments ago. I've just had lunch.
Don't forget ever and never when talking about life experiences. Have you ever tried sushi? Or, I've never been to Japan. They really open up conversations about what people have experienced in life.
Absolutely, and they make our conversations so much richer. I'm curious, what's one thing you've never done but want to try?
I've never gone skydiving, but it's definitely on my list. Let's keep exploring how the present perfect works in daily chats. After hearing all these tips, you start noticing the present perfect everywhere. Like when someone says, I've finished my main task for today. It's both an update and a sense of accomplishment.
Or when you're catching up with a friend, have you started studying? No, I haven't started yet. It shows what's still on your to-do list. That's super useful for organizing your day.
Exactly. And you can flip it around. I've drunk water, I've sent that email, but I haven't taken a break yet. It's like a checklist you can talk about in real time.
That actually reminds me, using the present perfect feels more natural the more you practice. You just slip it into conversation without even thinking about grammar.
And that's the goal. Let's wrap up with a quick review and a little challenge for everyone listening. So let's recap. Present perfect is have or has plus the past participle, used for actions affecting now, recent events, and life experiences. And don't forget those helpers, just already, yet, ever and never.
If you think about your own day, you'll find you've used this tense more than you realized. Like, I've learned something new today, or I haven't watched TV yet.
Here's a little challenge. What's one thing you have done today? It could be as simple as I've made a cup of tea, or I've studied English.
I love hearing those answers. It's a great way to see real progress. And it's proof that you've practiced the present perfect just by listening to this episode. Please subscribe to Mr. Perfect English channel so you don't miss our next episodes, and share this lesson with your friends who are also learning English. Remember, sharing is caring. And for today's comment question, what is one thing you have done today?
Thanks for joining us today, and for today's comment question, what is one thing you have done today? Write your answer in the comments below. It can be simple. I have drunk water. I have studied English. I have cleaned my room. I would love to read your answers. Thank you all for listening. It has been a fantastic day. Goodbye for now, everyone. And remember, keep practicing and improving your English every day. This is Mr. Perfect English, signing off. See you next time.